Hey Chanakyans of grade 7, welcome back to the video session. In this video, we are going to revise general knowledge. What are we going to revise? General knowledge. Shall we move on to it? Yes. The first one, sobriquets. What is sobriquets? Which means a person's nickname. Let's see some person's nickname in this. That is the first one, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan's nickname is Frontier Gandhi. Then the second one, Rabindranath Tagore. Nickname is Gurudev. Next, the third one, Bhagat Singh. The nickname is Shahid-e-Azam. And the fourth one, Tessie Thomas. What's her nickname? Missile Women of India. Milka Singh. The nickname of him is Flying Sikh. The last one, Major General Rajendra Singh. His nickname is Sparrow. Is it clear? Yes. Next, let's see Prime Minister of India. The in beginning stage, we have so many prime ministers. Let's see a few of them. The first one, Jawaharlal Nehru. He's the Jawaharlal Nehru and Gulzarilal Nanda and Lal Bahadur Shastri, and last one Indira Gandhi. So these are the famous prime ministers of India in early days. After these people, so many prime ministers were there. And who's the prime minister at present? That is Narendra Modi. Yes. Next, let's see dams of India. Dams of India. In this, Hirakud Dam is one of the largest dams in the world. It is the largest dams in the world. Let's see the dams which is in India. The first one, Cherudoni Dam, is in Kerala. Mettur Dam is in Tamil Nadu. Koyna Dam is in Maharashtra and Tungabhadra Dam in Karnataka, and the last one, Maithon Dam, is Jharkhand. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next, let's see honors and rewards. So, to honor a person, some rewards are given for to appreciate the person, or maybe a single person, or maybe a group of people. To appreciate them, some awards are given. Those are wartime gallantry awards, such as Paramveer Chakra and Mahavir Chakra. The second one, Peacetime Gallantry Award, such as Ashok Chakra and Shaurya Chakra. The third one, National Awards. What are the national awards? Arjuna Award and Dronacharya Award. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next, let's move on to the social movements of India. Some social movements are there. What is social movement? A social movement means it consists of a number of people organized and coordinated to achieve some task. Okay, so here are some tasks which is done by the particular people. Okay, so boycotting foreign goods, that is Swadeshi, that is Swadeshi. Then protection of forests. It comes under Save Silent Valley. Next, replace natural sal forest. It is there in Jungle Bacho Andolan. The Jungle Bacho Andolan. Next, whole nation came together and anti-corruption. Whole nation came together and anti-corruption comes under the Jan Lokpal Bill. Is it clear? Yes. Next, business tycoons. That is, which means what is the meaning of tycoons? Business tycoons, which means a person of great wealth, influence, or power. Even they can magnate a business tycoon. Even they can call magnate of business tycoon. A political tycoon. Okay, yes. So let's see some of the business tycoons. The first one, Kiran Mazumdar Saw. Kiran Mazumdar Saw. He is the owner of Baikun Limited. N.R. Narayana Murthy. He is the owner of Infosys. Indu Jain. He is the owner of the Times Group. Fourth one, Azim Premji. He is the owner of Wipro. And the fifth one, Kumar Mangalam Birla, that is the owner of Aditya Birla Group. Is it clear? Yes. Next, let's move on to paintings of India. What it is? Paintings of India. The first one, so in India, we have so many paintings that the historical paintings and so many recent paintings, model art, so many are there. Among this, some famous paintings are tribal art of Maharashtra. What it is? It is the Warli art. Can you identify which is Warli art? Yes, that is the first one. The second one, drawing scenes of everyday life. Drawing scenes of everyday life is, the painting is called Calicut painting. That is Calicut painting. Third one, religious paint of Rajasthan. Religious paint of Rajasthan is Phad. Okay, that is Phad. Okay, the fourth one, block print from Andhra Pradesh. Block print from Andhra Pradesh, that is Kalamkari. That is Kalamkari. Block print from Andhra Pradesh is Kalamkari. Rich surface and colors. Rich surface and colors are from the Tanjore paintings. It is from the Tanjore paintings. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next, let's move on to digitalization. What it is? Digitalization. The first one, e-Patsala. What it is? E-Patsala, which means it helps students, parents, and teachers to access study materials online. Okay. The second one, my gov, which means it encourages citizen participation in government policy matters and program implementation and giving suggestions. It's giving the suggestions. Third one, Hamraz. The what it is? Hamraz, which means what it means? It is an app for the serving soldier of the Indian Army. It is for Indian Army. Next one, iCar Setu. iCar Setu. It is especially for the women. It provides security to women by connecting the app to the police control room and their account on social networking websites in case of any emergency. Okay. Next, the last one, BHIM. What it is? BHIM. So it deals with, it is an initiative towards cashless India. It is an initiative towards cashless India, and it helps in making fast, secure, and reliable cashless payment. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next, let's see festival time. It is a festival time. So there are so many festivals which is known to you, isn't it? There are so many festivals which is known to you, and even there are some festivals which is unknown to you. So let's see some of the festivals in this. The first one is Hemis Festival from Ladakh. Hemis Festival from Ladakh. The what it is, what it means, a festival in which people perform dances wearing colorful masks to make the birth anniversary of Guru. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Next, let's see Rath Yatra. Rath Yatra. It is celebrated in the Odisha. It will be celebrated in Odisha. What is Rath Yatra? It is a festival in which huge carrying the idols of Lord, okay, and his brother Balram and his sister. Is it clear, children? Yes. See the next one, Trishur Puram. Trishur Puram will be celebrated in Kerala. And what kind of festival it is? It is a festival celebrated at a grand level where a procession of decorated elephant is taken out. Is it clear? Yes. Next, the fourth one, Kogali Bihu. Kogali Bihu, which will be celebrated in Assam, where they will celebrate this festival in Assam. So, what kind of festival it is? It is the festival during which people light lamps and pray to the gods for a harvesting season. They will pray to the god for a harvesting season. The last one, Chitrai Tiruvila. Chittirai Tiruvila, where they will celebrate this in a Madurai. They will celebrate it in Madurai. So it is an annual festival held at Meenakshi temple lasting for almost a month. It will last for almost a month. Okay, yes. Next, let's move on to describing Indian awards. Let's see Indian awards. What is award? Award is recognition of excellence achieved by an individual or a group of people. Is it clear? Yes. See the first one, Padma Bhushan. What it is? Padma Bhushan, which means high order service. High order service. Next, the second one, Bharat Ratna. It deals with highest civilian award. It is highest civilian award. Next, the third one, Dronacharya Award. What it is? Dronacharya Award. The answer, it deals with sports coaches. It's for sports coaches. And Aryabhatta Award is for lifetime astronautics. Okay, the fifth one, Gandhi Peace Prize, which is for peace for social and economic changes. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next, let's see working for a social cause. Working for a social cause. The first one, singer and songwriter, that is Rihanna. The who is he? A famous singer and songwriter, and she established the Belief Foundation at a young age of 18 years, which provides support to terminally ill children. Okay, see the second one, founded NGO. Founded NGO. He is a Rahul Bosch. So, what about him? He founded an NGO named the Foundation, which focus on providing education for children. It will focus on education for children. And the third one, co-founded ONA campaign. Okay, he co-founded the ONA campaign to urge government to do more in order to fight AIDS and other preventable diseases. Okay, next the fourth one, actor works for PETA. Okay, that is John Abraham. Who he is? John Abraham. So, what he did? The actor works for animal rights and is closely associated with PETA, that is beta, isn't it? Yes. Fifth one, founder of Livestrong. Founder of Livestrong. He is a Lance Armstrong. He is a Lance Armstrong. So, what he did? This famous American cyclist, a cancer survivor, is the founder of the Livestrong Foundation that funds cancer research in the US. Is it clear? Yes. The sixth one, provider of shelter for HIV and AIDS people. Provider of shelter for HIV and AIDS people. That is Nafiza Ali. He is a Nafiza Ali, and this former Miss India has worked extensively for the welfare of women and children, about built a care home for providing shelter to HIV and AIDS people. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next, let's move on to important dates. Important dates. Okay. So, World Cancer Day is observed on dash, that is February 4. World Cancer Day is observed on February 4. World Wildlife Day is observed on March 3. Human Rights Day is observed on December 10. International Day of Yoga is observed on June 21st. International Literacy Day is observed on September 8. And the last one, International Mother Earth Day is observed on April 2. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next, let's move on to newsmaker news, isn't it? Yes. The first one, footballer as ambassador. Footballer as ambassador. Who's that? He's a Lionel Messi. He is Lionel Messi. And the second one, India's representative for UNESCO is, that is J.S. Raiput. J.S. Raiput. Nepal's first woman president is, the answer, Bidya Devi Bandari. Bidya Devi Bandari. Okay. Fourth one, scored century in 100th one day in cricket. Who is he? He is Sikar Dhawan. He is Sikar Dhawan. The fifth one is awards $1 million by US Defense Department. Awarded $1 million by US Defense Department. To whom it goes? He is Andrew Nuss and Dennis Matthew. Andrew Nuss and Dennis Matthew. Is it clear, children? Yes. Okay, children. I hope this will be useful for you. Please make use of it, and the thing which is left, please go through from your book. You have to learn each and everything. Okay. Hope you will be safe. Be home. Be safe. We'll see you. Thank you so much.